Hi, I'm Chris Goodwin from Realty Network, and today I'm at a new listing, and directly behind me is the home we're going to check out today. This home is a stunner. The remodel was done amazing, and in the rear yard, not only is there a pool, but there are phenomenal views of both Dana Point and San Clemente. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and there's no HOA and no metal roofs. So let's get right to it. Well, once again, I'm Chris Goodwin from Realty Network, and thanks for joining us on this tour today. If you have any questions about this home, or if you would like a private showing, feel free to reach out to me. You can call me, you can send me a text. If you're out of the country, there's always WhatsApp. And just remember, there are 34 cities and 19 unincorporated areas in Orange County. So if for some reason this beautiful home doesn't work for you, well, you still have a lot of other choices. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.